Hello everyone, welcome back to again in my channel. Today I'm going to discussing about how to generate the QR code of the any your YouTube channels and so your any website and banking websites and any organizations websites and your personal and business website. Okay, let's go on the screen with me to the work. Let's go. QR code stands for Quick Response, Quick Restores to the pictograph code used for the more readability and large storage capacity, and so can be any kind of data informations to store. Okay, and so all of my friends, they follow this all these steps to install the QR code in your device. Please follow these instructions. Okay everyone, I just opened this PS Code and then I already created the QR code in my desktop site, and so I open this QR code to my folders. QR code here have you can okay, you can look this to my folders. I already created this my folders. You also be create all your folders in your desktop, and then again you also come with me, and so we also to create a QR code. How to create a QR code? We always to use that QR code. We always to day to day use that scanner like a QR code. Okay, in every transactions fields, any payment and processing fields, to always to use any banking sectors, any business sectors and medical fields, the education fields, like every fields to have to use this QR code. But how to make it a QR code, we not to understand. So we know about the process of making this QR code. So today I just to going to make the QR code of my YouTube channel. You can also be create your personal website QR code, your YouTube channel QR code. Okay, today I'm going to create my QR code of my YouTube channel, so very clearly you also be create. Please not to skip my video to flow with me. Let's go on the screen. I just to create again, create the files within these folders, my folders. So QRSCA and scanners.py file. Okay, Python file, create a QR scanner. You can you also be create a new file Python files within this your code, your your folders. I also be create a Python files within these folders, within my folders. Okay, now at the first, okay, at the first open this your terminals and so pip3 and sta install the QR code. Okay, QR code code, enter at the first. Okay, at the first to do create your to create your okay of before you need to install these three. Okay, these three QR code on your terminals, on your command prompt. Okay, if you create your QR code using the Python programming language, you also be install the QR code. This you can see QR code installed. I already installed my QR code in my terminals, in my command prompt. You can see requirement already satisfied because I already installed my QR code. You also be typed this code on your command prompt and install the QR code, and then I am import because we just create a QR codes, that recently import that install the QR code. Okay, here I've already have your QR code. Okay, I just import this, and so QR code. Okay, so now I want to create my YouTube channel QR code. Okay, I'm going to create a QR code after my YouTube channel. So I just take a variables name QR equals to QR code. This QR code imported, that's QR code, and so one functions I need to use to okay, in here to make your QR code this. And so versions, versions what okay, what's how much type to your versions. You can type the 15, 16, whatever. And so I just type this 15 versions. I have the 15 versions to, I need the 15 versions to QR code. And to box size as I think I want to make the box size of my QR code as the box size is 10. As again I want to make a border size also need a tree. I just to create a tree size of my QR code border size and QR code the box size and versions to I'll here within this create within this create of okay, create this within this variables QR variables QR within this QR variables. Okay, and so I just to create a data variables. Okay, data variables, you also take any kind of the data, any kind of variables to you also put in here. Just to take a data to easy to understand. So I just take a data as variables, and so here just store the so link of my channel. I just go to on YouTube, and so this my channels. I just open this my channel, and you can see here have here have got your channel linked. You're easily to copy your any website, any your channel, any your so organizations websites link also be so copy and then to back. Okay, I just minimize this, and so again back in my code, Python code, and so I just to paste that my link of the my channel, YouTube channels, the links to just paste in here this data variables within this data variables. Okay, and so and then I want to add the data functions. Okay, QR dot add you have already data add the data functions in here. You can okay, you can be used to this add the data functions within okay, within this QR variables. This QR variables to have this imported and models QR models QR code models that is already imported in here. And so this QR data edit data, I just want to edit this data within here. Okay, and so data this data, okay, this data to represent this data. Here have my channel link. Okay, this data is to edit in here, and so and so QR dot make functions to fit the true value to fit for making the QR code of my this channel. Okay, my channels to make functions to make my QR code of my channel YouTube channels. So I just take my variables to QR code variables QR that make functions, and here have just to feed my feed two variables to it's to create my QR codes. Okay, it's to make my QR code of my YouTube channel, and so QR that make feed true And so I want to so q just I am a image, I am the image. I think I want to create an image. I want to make an image of the my QR code in the PNG format. So I just take as a variables of the image img. You also take a variables name img to understand to you. Okay, img equals to so QR again. And to make image, I want to make an image. I just go to the make image of the my channel QR code. Okay, and so fill equals to my QR code color is BLCK black, and so BCK back. See background colors is I think white. It's the normally uh, we have to know about the QR code colors. There is like this black and white. Okay, so I just to background colors take a color as the white, and so filter color is black. Okay, and so I want and then finally I just to I finally I have created my QR code of my YouTube channels. So uh, img this variable dot as if save. Okay, save the in PNG format. That's my QR code of my YouTube channels. So textext.png, you can see these variables to have the making the image of the my QR my channel's QR code within here. And see here I have already edited all the data, this channel's data, and so make it the QR code of my channels to okay YouTube channels to QR codes to make this to code, and then to make this make the this code as to make the image of the QR code okay QR code of the my YouTube channel. Okay, and so at the last this variables dot save, I want to save the that fee and that QR okay QR code in the PNG format. Okay, maximum images to create it in the PNG format. So I also be create my QR code in the QR code image in the PNG format. Okay, I just want to at the this is my code is complete. It's not a difficult, it's a very simple, but if you know to ideas to create this QR code of the any website, any channel, the anything okay, so you also be flow to this code okay, you also flow to my code, and it's very easy. I think I have learned in easy way. Okay, my friend. So at the last, I want to control last. I just to save my these folders, and I want to run my project. Okay, here have Python is not understands, not to found in here because my device is not a Windows. So Python 3. So this files, okay, this the Python files name qr scanners.py. Okay, you can see text.png. Here have to create the my QR code of the my YouTube channel's QR code. So finally created in here using this code. Okay, using this code here have you also be created your YouTube channels, to your websites, QR code in your of the your personal uses. Okay, for your personal uses. So you also be flow this code in your Python programming language to properly used in your coding. Okay, so you can see I have make it this. Finally I'm successful to make the QR code of the my YouTube channels. If you have the Android phones, you also be this QR code to click on your phone. I think I think okay. This QR codes to okay working okay so perfectly and successfully working. So if you used scanners of your mobile phones, you also be scanned to you scan to this, and then you directly redirect on my YouTube channels. You directly to go on my YouTube channels to open. You can also directly open to my YouTube channel using this QR code. Okay,